Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Tech That Doesn't Bite. In today's episode, I'm going to show you 5 ways to help you reduce cellular data usage if you're on a limited data plan. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is turn on low data mode / data saver mode. This mode helps reduce cellular data usage. Just be aware that automatic updates and background tasks won't run when this is enabled. To enable low data mode on your iPhone, go to Settings, Cellular, and tap on your main line if you have dual SIMs. Scroll down and switch on the low data mode. On an Android phone, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Data Usage, Data Saver, and switch on the Data Saver. The next thing you want to do is to use Google Maps offline. Google Maps allows you to download their maps for offline usage. This means you can continue to use turn-by-turn navigation without the need to use your cellular data. So open up Google Maps, select your own map, and pick the area that you want to download. Once the map has been downloaded, it will be stored on your device. Now go back to your cellular settings and make sure to disable cellular usage for Google Maps. That way Google Maps won't accidentally start using your cellular data. Bear in mind though that there are some disadvantages of using offline maps. For example, you won't get transit, bicycle or walking directions, or even live traffic informations. If you use other GPS apps like Waze or Apple Maps, you won't be able to download them for offline use. Alter the data usage on your social media accounts. If you're using Twitter or Instagram, you can actually play around with the data's usage. On Twitter, you can find it in your settings and privacy area and scroll down to data usage. On Instagram, you go to Settings, Accounts, Cellular Data Use. Play around with the settings to fit your needs. Just be aware that the images on Twitter or Instagram will kind of look blurry if you have Data Saver enabled. Download your media content directly to your device rather than streaming it. Most streaming services like Netflix and Apple Music will allow you to download their content for offline use. Make sure you have enough space on your device. Turn off Wi-Fi Assist / adaptive Wi-Fi. This is a feature that allows a user to stay connected to the internet with a poor internet connection. What happens is that Wi-Fi Assist will automatically switch over to your cellular data, and that could be a problem if you are using a limited data plan. So on iOS, you turn this feature off by going into Settings, Cellular, scroll all the way down, and turn off Wi-Fi Assist. Here's some bonus tips. Turn off any automatic syncing with cloud services like iCloud. If you do prefer to stream your music or videos, make sure to pick the standard quality rather than the high quality. And also, consider purchasing an eSIM data-only plan if you used up your monthly data allotment. If you have like an eSIM phone, you can actually purchase data-only plans from services like Cellular or Dent Wireless. Cellular has a 7-day 1GB plan for $4.50. Dent Wireless has a 1GB plan for $5 and it doesn't expire for a whole year. If you do purchase an eSIM data plan, keep in mind that the ping times will be higher than what you normally see. So those are the 5 ways to help you reduce cellular data usage. Do you have any recommendations? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you get notified of new videos. And also check out some of the other videos that we've been making. See you guys next time.